Hi, Paul with Diode Dynamics, and today we're talking about the D2H bulb. This is a unique size that can be used instead of D2S or D2R bulbs, usually in aftermarket retrofitting applications. So what do we mean by that? Well, when you're talking D2 or D4 as well, you need to have a socket to connect to these types of bulbs. That either means having a ballast here made with a D2 series socket. We do offer these, they're a little bit more expensive, or using a standard ballast with amp style connectors, AMP, that connects through an adapter here, finally to the bulb. Now, we don't really have any problem with the adapters we offer, but they can cause issues because if you don't have a nice secure connection here, you're arcing 25,000 volts between this when you start the bulb, and this can cause shorts in these adapters. So overall, it's best if you can just use amp style connections. And that's what the D2H bulb solves. The D2H has the same base connection style as D2 bulbs, but it has wires coming out. They're going to allow you to connect it to a standard amp style ballast. So any standard ballast on the market will have these wires for output to the bulb, and this allows you to install the HID bulb into a D2 projector, and it gives you more clearance on the back as well. Once it's installed, you don't have to worry about putting the socket on the back. You have a lot more clearance here for the room that you need. It also comes with power wires to connect to the input with just a couple of power leads attached as well. So standard input wire for most ballasts comes with it. So if you're doing a retrofit or you're in the business and looking for a new solution to avoid the use of the sockets, if you can avoid it, then the D2H might be a good choice for you. You can find more information online at diodedynamics.com. Thanks for watching.